Mwandiki mukaro ministry-ini ya uruti wa wira wa muingi Zainab Hussein niwe uma mugeni wa gitio giikaro-ini kiria gitavaneirio wabici-ini nene cia kiama kiu nyumba-ini ya Maendeleo House. Ngucanio icio cia utongoria kiama-ini giki ikoretwo ikihotomia uruti wa wira thiini wa gikundi giki.
We promised that we would form a joint task force between the Ministry of Public Service, Youth and Gender Affairs and Maendeleo ya Wanawake organization to be able to deliver 4 things. One of them being form a joint task force that will steer the organization. Second one being conclusion of a 5-year strategic review and plan for the organization. The third one being conclusion of the review of the constitution of the organization. Have an AGM for the members of the organization to ratify this.
Mieri iri mithiru ni kwagiire na njukaniriro wabici-ini cia kiama kia Maendeleo ya Wanawake. Mwaho umwe ukienda kuruturura muikariri giti wao Rehab muikari kia hinya makiuga ati ni akoretwo akihuthira wabici iyo uru oro hamwe na kwiingirania na njama cia ungumania. Kiama kiu kiambiriirio mwaka-ini wa 1952 na matanya ma kwarĩrĩria mathĩna maria magomagira atumia bururi-ini. No riu ni ta giateire mwerekera amu kurumirira ngucanio icio gitikoretwo na umithio uroneka.
The ministry is committed to ensuring that this organization remains strong, continues to grow and continues to serve the women of this country.
Ica ikuhi kuri atumia makoretwo makigomirwo ni mathina ngurani, mathina maumanite na ngucanio cia kimucii. No kiama giki kia Maendeleo ya Wanawake gitigana kwiyumiria kurugama na atumia aya kana kumatetera. Mucemanio-ini ucio wa umuthi ni guthondekirwo kamiti ya ameemba mugwanja iria iguthuthuria ngucanio iria igomeire kiama giki na iheane mwerekera wa uria ngucanio icio ingituithanio.
We have agreed to form a joint task force to put the organization back to a path of strong growth.
And now what remains is for myself to actually forward this list, or Maendeleo to forward this list to the CS for her appointment of the full task force in the coming days.
Riu kiria ingimetereire ni kuona kana thirikari ni kuhota gucarania na kihonia niguo kiama giki gikorwo gikinyaniria matanya makio kuri atumia a Kenya.
Mama yetu, uende mbele.